morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Catherine. My small business is called Cat's Corner, where I make and sell handmade and punch needle tufted products, and I also teach you how to punch needle. Today I'm going to bring you with me whilst I try out a new product. I've always liked the idea of mixing punch needle with other forms of art, other textile art. I have dabbled in it a little bit before, but I really want to experiment further with it. And one of the things I've been wanting to try out is punch needle and felting. Now, I've never actually tried felting before. It's going to be like completely new for me, but there is another punch needle artist that I absolutely adore. I will put some bits of her art on the screen and her socials. I think she makes beautiful pieces. I've noticed she recently started doing punch needle and felting together, and I thought this is a perfect combination for a new product that I'm testing and going to see if it's something I want to lean into. So I thought I would bring you with me whilst I try this out for the first time. My vision is my strawberry jack that I designed. I think I'm going to go with this one. My plan is that he'll be a piece of embroidery hoop art, and his face and the stalk is going to be punch needle, but the strawberry and the seed will be felted. So we'll see how it goes. I'm literally testing it on a small one because I've made up my big frame, but first of all I didn't know how big I wanted to do them, and second of all I have a habit of trying something new and just going in all the way, and I thought maybe I should just sort of rein it in because I don't have much monk's cloth at the moment, so I can't go wasting cloth on testing. So I've got a little scrap piece that I will test the design on, see how it looks, see what I think of it, and we will go from there. So come with me whilst we try out a new product. Okay, so I've got all my supplies. The first thing I need to do is put my hoops onto my cloth and then draw out the template. Now I hope to do the stalk in punch needle as well, but we will see how we go. Black cotton, grey, we need the white, dark green.
Pardon my sci-fi, but this is beyond any human technology.
Okay, so there is our punch needle so far. Now will come the interesting part of felting. Before I do that, actually, I'm just going to tidy up the punch needle to make sure all the loops are in the correct places so it looks nice and tidy. Okay, so like I said, never done this before. I've briefly watched a video, but I am just going to go straight in and see how it turns out. Now I know that you can hurt yourself quite easily with the little felted needles. I don't know if I need this block underneath on the. I could try with the block actually. Okay, let's do this. So I guess I don't need much of this at a time. I don't really know how to work with it. I remember once back in college making our own felt. I thought I should just pull. Okay, maybe it's going to be some snips. Let's just test it and see what happens. So the felting, the red is going to sit below the loops, but I quite like that because it's going to give it dimension. And I think instead of maybe felting the yellow one, I might sew some little beads on so they look more like seeds. I think that would be quite cute. So now I'm going to go in and sew in some beads to look like the seeds, and then it will be time to finish it up and it will be done. And here is my final piece. I think it's absolutely adorable and it was really fun to do actually. I enjoyed doing the different mixed media. Yeah, this is the front, and on the back I just folded in the cloth and placed a sticky back cork circle on there for now.